Finding the right prospects is easier with Jeeva AI. From the dashboard, open Find Leads and start by adding job titles, seniority, or other filters like company names, industries, locations, and intent signals. Jeeva instantly shows a preview of matching leads, and with one click, you can generate a full list. Your prospects appear in a clear grid with names, titles, LinkedIn profiles, companies, and locations, and you can choose the number of leads you want. From there, export the list, add leads directly into a campaign, or enrich the data with verified emails, phone numbers, and smart AI insights like companies with recent funding. With Jeeva AI, building the right pipeline is straightforward and efficient.